Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, in previous class I discussed about how we balanced any chemical equation by using trial and error method. In today's lesson I discussed how a chemical equation is balanced by using algebraic method. Okay, look. First is trial and error method. Number 2 method is by using algebraic method. By using algebraic method. Okay, by using algebraic method. Here also the main principle is number of atom present in the reactant side always is equal to the number of atom present in the product side. Okay, look, MnO2 plus HCl. Okay, it get MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. Okay, I balanced this equation by using algebraic method. Okay, for balancing this equation, let us write the equation in the form. For balancing this equation, we can write MnO2 plus BHCl equal to, look, I use equal sign. Why? Because this reaction is in balanced form. CMnCl2 plus DCl2 plus EH2O. Okay, here A, B, C, D, E all are integer number. Okay, now I write that for Mn atom, if the reaction is in balanced form, then I can write A equal to C. Look, for Mn atom I can write A equal to C because this Mn use this C and here Mn use this A, that's why A equal to C. Okay, now for O atom I can write 2A, okay, equal to, here O is higher, E, 2A equal to E. For H atom I can write here B equal to, here 2E. Okay, for Cl atom, what? B equal to 2C plus 2D. Okay, now we use this equation to solve or to get the value of A, B, C, D and E. If we consider A equal to 1, if we consider A equal to 1, then I can write C is equal to also 1 and E is equal to 2. Look, E is equal to 2. Why not? Because A equal to, say, if A is equal to 1, then C equal to also 1. and A is equal to 1, that's why E is equal to 2. Clear? B is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Why? Because if E is equal to 2, then B is equal to 2 into 2. That's why it becomes 4. Clear or not? Clear? Now we calculate the value of D. If we put this value here, this is equation number 1. Putting the values in equation 1, what happens? B is equal to 4, C is equal to 1 and 2D, or D is equal to 1. Clear? Now the balanced equation is, look, Mn now the balanced equation is MnO2 plus 4HCl is equal to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. Clear? Look, here number of MnOHCl, here also MnOHCl. Please count this. Look here, Mn is 1, O is 2, H is 4, Cl is also 4. Here Mn is 1, O is 2, H is 4, Cl is 4. Look, the LHS is equal to the RHS. That is, the equation is in the balanced form. Thank you for watching.